I'm sure. Please go ahead.
I'm Nilima Vudugari. I'm the co-founder of AI Insured. I have my CTO, Dr. Srinivas Padmanabhini, along with me in the call on a different connection. And for various reasons, my CEO, for health reasons, he couldn't join. So I thought I'll pitch for the day. And coming to our product AI Insured is on ensuring security, reliability, and compliance of AI products. Now, let me explain you what exactly I mean. AI as a technology has been there for more than 40 years, but we, any layman, when I say we, most of us have been hearing AI only in the recent past because of the digitalization. And there are so many AI products that are built. But when AI product is built, it has to be automated, fully automated, right? But how robust are these AI products? There are multiple failures of AI products. Some being small ones which can be ignored, but some which are life-taking or miserable, right? So our product AI Insured works on the AI products that are already built and make sure that all the problems which I'll explain you, we have multiple features are remediated and the product is built in a robust way. Some examples of AI failures are where driverless car, Uber's driverless car has hit a person who lost her life in US, and Microsoft Pay chatbot was biased. It was poisoning. It was poisoned by hackers. Amazon hiring tool was biased against women. That was an example. That later Genderify was another example where it was biased against women. The reason it being biased against women is not because of anything else, but other than the data it was fed in. So all these products have to be tested and examined before being deployed, and that is what our product will do. If we go to the next slide, so there should be there's lack of transparency in most of the AI products because they're not tested rigorously. And our product actually helps examine and rebuild the product. It is like typically a Selenium product which is used on a product on a software, right? Wherein they test the product, the software before it is deployed. And ours is a software which will be used on AI products. You may not call it testing, will actually ensure that the product is more robust. So the reasons coming back, the reasons for the failure, it is because of the randomized testing. Any AI product, when it is built, a part of the data, AI products are built using data, and a part of the data taken randomized in a randomized fashion is used for testing. That is not sufficient when the product is tested. And the reasons for this failures are just because of that. Model security again is not performed at all. There is model security threats that are coming into picture where even security systems are not aware of it. We'll explain it a little later. But yeah, this is the problem. The main problem is all the AI products are just tested randomized. So what is that? We are following a radical approach where we will see that the product on which our product is applied goes with the compliance standards. AI compliance standards are on the way. Now, Singapore has recently come up with a draft version of AI compliance. Europe is far ahead, wherein Europe AI standards, compliance standards are there. Just to avoid all these problems, some of the problems which I've already iterated, right, which I've shared with you. These problems are because the product is not developed properly. Had any AI product been developed properly, following the AI compliance guidelines, this problem could not have come. So governments and AI ethics bodies across the world are working on compliance standards. So when any AI product uses our AI Insured, it will follow the compliance guidelines and security and privacy also. There is greater security threats on the AI models, which when our product is used, they can overcome the problem. And there is reliability also. The reliability is another feature wherein our product works on, wherein it actually makes the model more reliable. So if you see this slide, just to explain briefly about our product, the input is the model, ML model. ML model is the AI model that's developed along with the data. And then our product, AI Insured, will work on it, and which has multiple dashboards. The output is multiple dashboards. The risk wherein we come out with the model fairness, model security, model privacy, explainability. And on the quality dashboard, we have coverage, reliability, and performance. And we do not stop there. We generate augmented data that cover the corner cases which are detected when we apply the different features of ours to understand what are the corner cases and generate the augmented data, and then give it back to the model so that model becomes more robust. So this is our founding team. Vipul Kochar, who is the CEO, couldn't join us because he was not well. Dr. Srinivas is there along with me. He's also logged in. Dr. Srinivas is ID, and Vipul Kochar has more than 25 years of experience. He is a guru in the testing front, and he's also the president of ISTQB, the testing standards body in India. And Dr. Srinivas is a veteran in AI. He has reached multiple patents, has more than 30 plus years of experience. He was working for Infosys before joining our team. And it's me, yours truly, Nilima, and I have more than 22 years of experience. From past 7 years, I'm fully on the AI front. And when we met, Dr. Shini, Vipul, myself, and we lost one co-founder, Saurabh Bansal, in the second wave of COVID, due to COVID, and he was also one of us. When we met, we found that there is a great need for the products to be tested and examined and rebuilt, and so that way we started this product. Though we started this company, not the product but the company, then we realized that we have to revalidate our thought, and coincidentally we got some offers on the services front, so we have also worked on it, and then we revalidated our thought, and we started building our product around 1.5 years back. Our product was done. AI works on multiple data fronts, so our product on the AI data and text data and structured data is done. Structure and text data, there are one or two features left, but other data points like time series and audio data, we are yet to do. But when we were at that level around 6 months back, there was shown a good interest by our clients, and we are already running 5 POCs and 2 paid clients. We just got 2 paid clients, and we are working with multiple system integrators. Our product ultimate goal is to be able to work on any product which is built on any of the data. But to start with, we have chosen driverless car, where ADAS system is used. ADAS system is used for object detection in driverless cars, and we are working with a multinational system integrator as a multinational company which has ADAS product, and where they are using our product to develop their ADAS. They are also partnering with. They also have partnered with multiple OEMs across the world. So our partnership would be not only in developing their product, but also wherein they'll project us to their OEM partners. So right now we are focusing on the driverless car segment and the medical imaging. Medical imaging is where you refer about cancer detection by AI softwares, right? And many times there is false positive and false negative. That is because of improper image classification. And one of the features of our product is explainability, which helps them overcome this. So our market size, if you only take driverless cars, immediate market size is 74.9 billion by 2030, and this is 35 billion. And our target market is Europe and USA. Definitely Europe too, because compliance guidelines are stricter over there, and US. And Europe, we already have some channel partners with whom we have tied up, system integrators too.
Yeah, Nilima, I think you have to go a little.
Okay, fine.
You have to go for us.
Yeah. So now the current action is we have 2 paid for POCs, and multiple POCs are there. We are 1 patent, multiple other pipeline, and we have been awarded we are one of the top 9 in the United Nations and the top 10 analytics partners in Germany and Denmark, and global mobility player, as I was saying, which was an ADAS friend. We have multiple system integrators. Infosys, Accelerator have already signed, and we have had multiple discussions with their clients also. We are also discussing with the global consultants from in US too. And our team, the reason we you have to go out with our team is we have a greater expertise on the testing front, on the AI front, and what we think is accumulation of these expertises actually helps build a product like this, which will understand the testing angle of the AI products. And because this is a new technology and we have the first mover advantage, and we want to build a product out of India which serves across the world. We have privacy and security dimensions of AI models, which is there nowhere. Even big four companies are not aware of the one of the security features which we are discussing, and one of the big fours we are already discussing with them. They are happy to have a discussion with us. We may tie up a contract with them soon. Next, and ours being a startup, our product is huge, and ours being a startup, we have greater potential for returns. These are our some of the competitors of ours, but again, none of the competitors have all the features as we have, and we are based out of India. All the others are not. So we have an advantage of cost saving, and we also want to be proud to be saying that we are a product made out of India. As I said, we have multiple partners, resellers, system integration, and global consulting. And this is the way we are reaching out to the world, because our main clients are in US, and we are going the licensing model wherein we charge 12,000 USD per license per year and per user. As of now, we are following the on-premise model for two of the clients with whom we have signed. But going forward, we'll also go with the SaaS revenue model, especially for the AI products like chatbot, which could be on the clients, right, on the cloud, right? So they will do the SaaS revenue model. Yeah, we are asking for 10 CR. Till now, we are only bootstrap, and this is the way we would split our funds. Open for questions.
Okay, thank you, Nilima. And any questions? How many paid POCs? I think you mentioned 2, right? In pipeline.
Yes.
How many more are there?
5 POCs are in execution. 2 are paid POCs, and we are discussing with more clients, potential clients, so Infosys, Hexaware, and other clients.
She says there are totally 5 and 2 are already paid. How many paid are in pipeline?
Yeah, the 5 POCs which are said are the POCs which are using our free POC free tier. So once the free tier is over, then we'll have to have a discussion, and it will be converted to paid.
Oh, thank you, Nilima.